In this video, you will learn how does the Shopify Affiliate program work. The Shopify Affiliate program is a marketing partnership that allows content creators, educators, influencers and entrepreneurs to earn commissions by referring new merchants just to Shopify. It works out by giving an affiliate a unique referral link, which they can share through their YouTube videos, social media or even their website. When someone signs up for a paid Shopify plan through that link, the affiliate will earn a one-time commission, typically on average $150 per successful referral, depending on the plan you choose. Shopify provides affiliates with dashboards to click tracking, sign-ups and earnings, and to manage it all, along with access to educational resources and creative assets to help them promote effectively. To join, applicants must apply through Shopify's affiliate page and be approved based on the quality of their content, audience relevance, and even more. It's especially popular with people who create e-commerce tutorials, run marketing agencies, or operate niche websites that can attract aspiring entrepreneurs. The program offers passive income potential and free to join, making it a strong option for those looking to monetize their influence in the e-commerce space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.